kids be talking shit to you, and then they be like knowing everything. I just tell them to watch for the hook.
She had me all off my game on that one. I'm
Like,
still not
girl, welcome to Watch for the Hook Wednesday
Hey now, it's Tatiana.
with Michael Parker. Parker, how you doing today?
Hey, I'm good. I'm sitting up here, doing a whole bunch of random
Yeah,
stuff
I
right
need you to
now.
pay attention to
I
this.
mean, I'm locked in.
All right, locked in and loaded. So when this episode comes out, it's going to be business tax season.
That's right.
It's the month of March, and
What's on your taxes? I mean, it's new vehicles for every. Let me stop.
oh, no. So them taxes you talking about is doing
Oh yeah, you're right.
personal tax.
You know what? Thank you for clearing that up for me.
What we talking about is the month of March is for business owners.
March 15th.
You got to file your what?
Taxes.
Business taxes.
Yes, business tax.
So what me and Miss Parker gonna talk about is how or why you should file your business taxes.
Well, can you file
Well,
taxes on your business?
okay,
Are
so
you obligated to file taxes on your business?
well, there's one really hard way to understand
This could
if
be a
your
quick episode.
business is worth filing taxes over.
Yeah.
Do you have an employee identification number?
EIN.
You know who gives you that EIN? The IRS.
I'm surprised you didn't.
The Internal Revenue Service. If Uncle Sam done sent you a letter,
Done said.
done. DONT. Done. Sent you a letter, file your goddamn
I
taxes.
thought you were going to say IRA.
Internal Revenue Services will keep an eye on all businesses that have an employee identification number / taxpayer ID. If your small business ass
SBA.
ain't got no employer identification number, then the IRS won't fuck with you.
Start looking for you because you a side hustle.
Now, like I say, for those folk who say their business is a side hustle,
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
then that means that you are probably legally or illegally making money and not reporting it to Uncle Sam. So let me tell you, for folks that making money, you need to file your business tax
And they have to be filed. Or hold on. The deadline to file
this year,
typically proceeds or precedes
the month of April.
the personal deadline.
Yes. So for all our business folks,
Auntie no.
your LLCs, your small S corps.
Yeah, so your S corps, your
Listen, if your ass has a EIN number, I don't care if you made negative $22.78. Please file your business tax.
because they have on file. If you are paying like what your monthly, quarterly, yearly taxes with the state that you're registered with, so
That's another tax. So we're
yeah,
gonna
we
tell
care
you.
about that one.
So we are in the state of Arkansas.
Tab.
Every month of May, we have to pay a franchise business tax.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
That's due in May for us folks that live in the state of Arkansas and have a business that is filed in the state of Arkansas.
Yeah, I be forgetting about that.
So what we telling y'all is, hey, you goddamn tax.
Yeah, if you forget, they'll remind you.
Oh, they can remind the hell out of you.
Email, snail mail.
Mail.
Yeah, any of that.
Some folk may call your ass.
Okay, hello, Mr. Parker.
Hello?
Hello.
Is it me that you're looking for?
You owe the state some money.
Money. So just keep it a buck. Like for us, we have a business license tax due January 1.
I be forgetting about that one too. But
That's
you
a tax.
remember that stuff. I'll be like, what happened?
That's a tax.
It is.
The city of Little Rock makes us pay a tax for having a business.
Yeah.
So that's what we're talking about. When we are talking about the game of paying your taxes, filing your taxes, listen, you're going to pay multiple taxes
rounds and iterations.
per year on your businesses. And so for us, M&T Parker LLC is our business.
Yep.
We have a DBA, doing business as Watch for the Hook. And speaking of Watch for the Hook, I'm about www.watchfor4.com.
Yep.
Check out our latest apparel. Listen, me and Miss Parker are always working to make things better.
All right. Absolutely.
And so when we're giving y'all this information, for some people, it may not even be for the person who already has a business.
Right.
We're giving you this information for people who are thinking about having a business.
Yeah. Or you have one and you just haven't done that yet. I'm about to start sneezing, so
Gotcha. And if you are thinking about starting a business or apparel line, come by
sorry.
www. Bless you. www.watchforthehook.com. Click on that podcast monetization free call.
That's right.
That call gives you 30 minutes free for you. Expensive to us
Yeah.
because
It's
time
our time.
is the most expensive thing you can never get back.
Absolutely.
Me and Miss Parker want to sit down, talk with you, and see if this is the avenue that you're willing to go down. Because at the end of the day, this is a labor of love.
It is.
And me and Miss Parker have multiple labors of love.
Yep. And we nurtured them.
And we talked about it in one of the other episodes, nurturing your business.
Yep.
You know how you nurture your business? Pay your goddamn taxes.
Keep it in business.
Keep it in what?
Keep it in good standing.
Knuckle.
That's right.
Church. Have you ever heard when somebody said, man, my business ain't in good standing? You know what that means? They on the road to ruin.
They are. Because let me tell you something else. If 9 times out of 10, if you try to go to a lender and you want to get something tied to that LLC, that EIN, tax ID, whatever, they're going to check with the state to ensure that it is within good standing before they even go down the road to decide whether or not they want to lend to you.
And you know how you stay in good standing? Pay your goddamn
Pay it
taxes.
January,
February, March, May, August. Listen, one thing you got to understand, when the bill comes due,
Yeah.
make sure by the end of that calendar year, by December 1st,
Pay it.
because this is the thing, you will have some time, and then they're going to give you what? Penalties.
They will. They'll give you penalties and
For taking your time.
yeah, it might be, worth your while to
Delay it.
delay or eat that penalty cost. You might have $20, $30. That's that's fine.
30, 60, 90
But
days.
pay it.
So this is the thing. You get past 90, they're going to hit you with that not in good standing.
Yeah.
Most tax collectors for businesses, they'll give you a 3-month window
Yeah.
when the time is due. When you hit 91, they gonna flip a switch, but they not gonna tell you they flipped the switch on your business.
Like nobody notified. Now, granted, it hasn't happened to us, and I don't plan on it happening to us. But yeah, that's the kind of stuff they don't give you no warnings about.
And this is the thing. This is why this is the For the Hook Business and Entrepreneur Podcast. We telling y'all, this shit happens daily.
It does. It does. It happens to the best of us.
Listen, y'all have, if you are my age, I'm just gonna age me.
Age, like
You can go back in the let's go back to the pandemic. How many companies have filed bankruptcy?
a lot.
When you file bankruptcy, that means your company is no longer in good standing.
Nope.
It means you cannot financially support your business.
Nope.
You know one of the main reasons they could not financially support their business? They could not pay the taxes that was due.
Nope.
Those taxes are one of the first things that will ring the bell to somebody who did not know you existed.
Right.
And when you get the bill wrong on your business, your LLC, your S corp, your SBA, Small Business Association, whatever it is, you then get highlighted in a negative fashion.
Yeah, they start putting you out there on blast. Then the old people read the newspapers. They see all your business out there. You're not up to par financially.
The old word, it used to be called an expose. People used to write exposés to expose bad business practice.
Yeah, it's bad business practice right there.
Well, the internet took over the exposés. The linkage of these websites, they, like I said, when they hit the switch, you don't know they put a spotlight on your business in a negative way. What happens is somebody be like, "Hey, no, hey, somebody said, what I heard was that's that spotlight." Or
Give them
people,
something to talk about.
people be like, "Hey, what happened to so and so?" And next thing I know, the door's closed, and it's a note in the door.
Yeah, yeah.
Some of them notes say closed due to not paying taxes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It will say that.
They
Like
will put you on Front
it
Street.
will say they closed due to health department code violations. Like,
Yeah,
yeah.
those are bad things. And so, what we're giving you opportunities and understanding is your taxes are one of the first things that will take you down a long and arduous road
Yeah,
to ruin.
yeah, it will.
And when you look at it, people got to understand what you think can wait, everything is on the clock.
It is. Tick, tick, tick.
Tick, 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 tick.
Really? No, that's Michael Myers.
I know.
You know, it's
But what
right.
you got to understand is when we're talking about properly filing your taxes, you have to meet those deadlines.
You do. You should.
And if you, and certain agencies will give you extensions.
They will.
So if you are a business owner and you are right now in a what they call a suffrage area, which
Yeah.
means you're suffering financially, you can ask for an extension on filing your business taxes.
And in a sense, paying a late penalty is an extension.
And you know what? Take advantage of that.
Yeah, that's an extension.
Because one thing about it, it's better to be in business than be out of business.
That's right.
And so you got to think about that. And for I'm gonna say just not us, a lot of people that are in business, and I've heard this a few times, not a few, a lot of times, don't understand business.
Yeah.
A lot of people think I'm just gonna make money. Well, Uncle Sam, the Internal Revenue Services, who is that guy, for every dollar that you make, which is called earned income,
That's right. And not the credit.
the United States Internal Revenue Service says the United States government, United States as a whole, is entitled to a portion of that money,
Yeah.
of the earned income.
It's a tax.
So when you're side hustling, business hustling, pop-up shopping, hustling, on the weekend I'm at the thing, or I got a business website, I'm e-commercing or non-commercing, or I got this shirt that I done dropped down and
Or DM me to
yeah,
place your order.
listen,
Yeah.
hear me again. Watch. When you putting on Facebook or any of these other social media places, I got this for 25. DM me.
Yeah.
Huh? Somebody watching.
And it ain't Facebook Marketplace.
Somebody watching.
Where you selling your own personal goods.
Personal.
Personal goods.
They are looking at you and your business.
Yep, they are.
What you have to understand is a bill is always due. And that's for real.
Yeah, that's right.
You can't get $1, and don't think the United States government don't want a piece of it.
Yeah, that's an interest rate tied to it.
Yes. Y'all think it's funny. Some people think it's, oh, no, it ain't like that. Yes, it is. Real business owners understand by March, middle of March, which is normally the
Yeah.
time frame, we have to legally file our business
Yeah, we
taxes.
do.
Then, for people who file their business taxes, you can then take a part of that filing, go into April, and file it with your personal
But
taxes.
once you start going down those roads, I'm hoping at that point you're using like a CPA, a person that knows the rules, the regulations, the guidelines. They know what they're doing. They are skillfully trained. They are experts in their area. This is what they do. This is why you pay them the fee that you pay them. So that's a whole nother road right there. Moral of the story is make sure you file. Make sure you file in time. If you don't file or you are opting to delay, if there is an extension to file, make sure you file the extension. Because if you are obligated to file, then that means you have a record of that business on file at the EIN level.
Ms. Parker just basically told y'all, if you got a business, do not file with a computer.
If you can help it, like bypass,
What she
bypass the logging in,
what
and
she's saying is the computer will not find you the proper deductions to help your business
more than
out.
likely not. Not like a seasoned, trained
A
individual
certified
can.
public
Yeah.
accountant will understand how to properly tax your business. And properly means whatever you pay out doesn't mean you always have to pay in.
Right.
Whatever you expended, the government will give you some of that back.
Yeah, but it also doesn't mean that
You get,
the amount of negative you may impact, you will receive back. It doesn't mean that either.
oh no, no, no. Because this is one thing. Your business can be profitable, make money. That means it's profitable.
Yeah.
But that does not mean you did not expend money to make it profitable.
No.
And that is the point of going and understand how to properly file your taxes. When Ms. Parker always talk about credits and debits,
Yeah.
she is telling y'all you need to go to a precise human being who you trust with your business to properly give you your proper credits
Or
and
just simply,
all debits.
file it the correct way.
But I mean,
But if you out here, you ain't got no EIN, and ain't nobody checking for you to file no way. So
but this is one thing. We also understand this. Me and you didn't go to tax school.
and wasn't trying to,
Exactly. So there may be
was not interested.
what they call loopholes that your business falls in where you can get a credit or some assistance from the Internal Revenue Service that you would not have known if you did not go to a certified public accountant.
Right. That's right.
And so that is why we talk about how to properly file your taxes. We're like, you gotta understand, there's what we talk about all the time, is level to this shit.
It is.
Like me and Miss Parker Health Science, she can tell you anything epidemiological or
You just told that word up.
well, or healthcare plan wise. Miss Parker can tell you about these
Maybe,
things.
maybe not.
Well, she can hook you up. Now, me, if you want to ask me, if somebody dumped some crude oil in my backyard, how do I clean that
What
up?
can I
And
do?
that's me. Yeah, that's me. But if you come asking me about how I can help my business with these taxes, I'm gonna tell you, shit, you go find a certified
CPA.
public accountant
Yeah.
and take him the proper paperwork that he's
Yeah.
asking for.
Yeah, but find a reputable one. But like, matter of fact, look, this is the person I use. And
Listen,
there you go.
and listen, for those people who trust online thing, more power to you. But what I'm gonna tell you is, ain't a computer like a man or a woman. The human brain is called human for a reason. They have been studying this from the ground
They
up
are trained.
and trained.
Yeah.
And so we just want y'all to understand properly filing your taxes can, no, it will.
It will help you in the long
It will
run.
help save your business. Point blank, period. Listen,
It'll help save you some headache.
Listen, you want Uncle Sam in your life, you go fuck around and find out.
Yep.
And it ain't gonna be cool. You ain't Donald Trump. You ain't none of these multi-billion-dollar corporations that's gonna get away with it. They will shut your doors. Point blank, period.
They will.
You will be out of business. And then what you don't understand is even getting put out of business, it will negatively affect your credit
It will.
personally.
It will.
Double whammy. Your business gone, and then your credit score is in the zeros.
Looking a whole mess.
Did I lie?
Looking a whole mess.
Well, hey, March is tax season, business tax season.
Yeah, it is.
April is personal tax season. This the word from Watchforthehook Business and Entrepreneur Podcast. Properly file your business taxes.
That's right.
Catch y'all next time.